Hey there, champions of growth and positivity. Welcome back to the channel where we focus on making life just a little brighter, one small step at a time. Today, I have a question for you. What if I told you that the difference between where you are now and where you want to be isn't a giant leap, but a series of tiny, consistent steps? That's right, success isn't about massive, once-in-a-lifetime breakthroughs, it's about building the right habits. Habits shape our lives in ways we often don't even realize. Think about it. Brushing your teeth, drinking your morning coffee, checking your phone. These small, automatic actions make up a huge chunk of your day. Now imagine if you could harness that same autopilot power to create habits that work for you, not against you. In today's video, we're diving deep into the art and science of habit building. This isn't just another goal-setting lecture. Nope. We're talking real strategies, backed by psychology and real-world examples, to help you build habits that stick, even when life gets busy. Overcome the obstacles that derail most people. Create a daily routine that feels natural and energizing, not forced or overwhelming. By the end of this video, you won't just know how to build habits, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to get started right away. So whether you're here to kickstart your health journey, boost productivity, or just build a little more positivity into your life, this guide is for you. Grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's transform those big dreams into tiny, manageable habits that change everything. Ready? Let's go. 1. Why habits are powerful. Let's kick things off with some inspiration. Did you know that habits account for about 40% of the actions we take daily? That means nearly half of what we do is on autopilot. Habits aren't just small behaviors, they're foundational. They compound over time to shape who we are and what we achieve. Benefits of habits. Consistency beats motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but habits create automatic consistency. Think about brushing your teeth. It's automatic now because it's a habit. Imagine if your exercise or reading routine felt just as natural. Frees mental energy. When a habit becomes automatic, you save energy for bigger decisions. This is called reducing decision fatigue. Creates momentum. Habits create small wins that lead to bigger successes. For example, drinking a glass of water in the morning might lead to better hydration throughout the day, which boosts energy levels. In Atomic Habits, James Clear puts it perfectly. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. That's the power of habits. Step 2. Picking the right habit. This is a crucial step because not all habits are created equal. Here's how to narrow it down. 1. Start with what's meaningful to you. Your habit should align with your goals or values. For example, if health is important to you, a fitness-related habit might be ideal. 2. Make it specific. Vague goals don't work. Instead of saying, I want to exercise, say, I will do a 10-minute walk at 7 a.m. daily. 3. Start small. Here's where most people trip up. They aim too big too soon. Want to journal? Commit to writing 1 sentence a day. Want to meditate? Start with 2 minutes. Examples of powerful habits. Drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning. Journaling 1 positive thought before bed. Doing a 5-minute stretch after waking up. Reading 5 pages of a book daily. When you're choosing your habit, ask yourself, will this action make me 1% better each day? 3. The step-by-step plan. Now, here's where we build your system. Let's create a habit plan that's simple, actionable, and foolproof. 1. Habit stacking. Anchor your habit. Attach your new habit to something you already do daily. This makes it easier to remember. Example. Want to meditate? Do it right after brushing your teeth. Your existing routine acts as a trigger. 2. Set a clear time and place. Decide when and where your habit will happen. The clearer the plan, the better. Example. I'll write 3 things I'm grateful for in my journal at my desk at 8 p.m. 3. Start incredibly small. If a habit feels overwhelming, shrink it. Example. Want to exercise for 30 minutes? Start with 5 push-ups. It's all about building momentum. 4. Use visual cues. Change your environment to make your habit easier. Example. If you want to read more, keep a book on your pillow. If you want to drink more water, place a full glass on your nightstand before bed. 5. Track your progress. Use a habit tracker or checklist to see your streaks. Seeing progress keeps you motivated. Apps like Habitica or even a physical calendar work wonders. 4. Overcoming obstacles. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Sticking to a habit isn't always easy. Life gets busy, motivation fades, and distractions creep in. But here's how to push through. 1. What if I forget? If you miss a day, don't panic. The key is not to let one slip turn into 2. James Clear's golden rule: never miss twice. 2. What if I don't feel like it? Action often creates motivation, not the other way around. Even if you don't feel like doing the full habit, show up for 1 minute. 3. Life is too busy. Adjust the habit to fit your schedule. Example: if you usually journal for 10 minutes but only have 2 minutes, just write 1 sentence. It's better than skipping entirely. 4. Accountability helps. Tell a friend about your habit or join a group. Sharing your progress makes you more likely to stick with it. 5. Rewards and celebration. Don't forget to celebrate your wins, big or small. Rewards create positive reinforcement and make you excited to keep going. Reward ideas. Treat yourself to your favorite drink after completing a streak. Share your progress with someone who'll cheer you on. Take time to acknowledge how far you've come. Psychologists call this positive reinforcement. It's like giving your brain a high five for doing a good job. 6. Real-life example. Let's put all this into a real-life routine. For example, let's say you want to start journaling every morning. Here's how to structure it. Morning routine example. Trigger: place your journal and pen on your bedside table before bed. Habit stacking. After brushing your teeth, sit on your bed with your journal. Start small. Write 1 sentence, maybe something you're grateful for. Visual cue. Keep your journal open to the next blank page. Reward: sip your morning coffee as a celebration. Day by day, that single sentence can grow into a page or more. But for now, focus on consistency, not perfection. And that's it, my friends. We've just unlocked the secret to building habits that truly last. Now, I want you to take a moment and imagine yourself a year from now. Imagine waking up to a version of you that feels healthier, happier, and more confident, not because you made drastic changes, but because you committed to small, consistent actions that compounded over time. Remember, habits are more than just tasks. They're votes for the person you want to become. Every time you show up, whether it's for a minute or an hour, you're casting a vote for the future you. And that's powerful. Here's what I want you to do next. Pick one habit you want to build. Just one. Don't overcomplicate it. Use the strategies we talked about: habit stacking, starting small, tracking your progress. Celebrate every win, no matter how small it seems. And most importantly, don't give up. Building habits isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, again and again, even when it feels hard. Progress always beats perfection. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little habit-building motivation in their life. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. We're building a community of people who believe in growth, one step at a time. And before you go, comment below. What habit are you going to start building today? I'd love to hear your goals and cheer you on. Until next time, keep striving, keep growing, and remember, you're capable of amazing things. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.